We have green light on platform 2. Begin descent.
Roger. Descent initiated. Speed steady at 5 meters per minute.
The fatigue data on panel 4 is stabilizing.
Cross-reference with the pressure logs from this morning.
The hydraulic actuators applied immense pressure, simulating extreme flight conditions.
Alignment looks good from here. Confirm green status.
Confirmed. Green across the board. Proceed to secure.
Clear the area below the mounting point.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with final securing.
Inside the integration zone, technicians meticulously route the fuel lines through the fuselage. Precision is paramount as the pipelines are secured.
Go ahead and secure the primary clamps.
Torquing the final bolt now.
Qatar Airways utilizes these advanced robotic systems to precisely align the reinforced floor grids deep within the fuselage.
This point here, the alignment for the divider wall.
Confirmed. The holographic overlay shows full clearance.
Aligning with the jig now.
Make sure the gap is flush before we secure the fasteners.
Lower it slightly to the left.
Okay, releasing the suction in 3, 2, 1.
Cabin power sequence initiated. All modules green.
Confirmed. IFE diagnostics running smoothly.
Watch the clearance on the top rail.
Clear, clear.
Secure the locks.
Moving it forward now. Watch the alignment tools.
Clear on this side. Looks good.
Pushing Module 7 into the console now. Locked.
Confirmed lock. System check initiating.
Check the readings on zone 3.
Stable at 22, but humidity is slightly high near the rear vent.
We are at 90% on the primary system.
Telemetry remains stable. Go ahead and finalize the sequence.
Cabin inspection complete on this row.
All green on the manifest. Ready for handover.
The temperature delta is stable at 22 degrees Celsius. Ensure the airflow remains consistent across the fuselage.
The vibration data is nominal across the board.
Yes, the alignment is holding perfectly during the spin-up.
Check the alignment on section 3.
Confirmed, within tolerance, the cycle is complete. Reviewing the final data points here, everything looks good.
Approved. Stamping the sign-off.
As you can see, the weather front is shifting south. We need to adjust the altitude for the first leg.
Agreed, Captain. We'll file the revised plan.
Qatar Flight 001 requesting clearance for takeoff on runway 34 right. We are ready for the test flight. Climb thrust set.
Checked. Altitude 20,000, standard.
The pressure differential on the forward actuators is stabilizing.
Yes, the trend line looks good now. We are within optimal parameters.
Banking left, 20 degrees. Confirmed, controls responsive. Flaps 20, gear down before landing, checklist complete.
Roger that. Clear to land, runway 28 right.
The thermal scan shows a slight anomaly here near the leading edge. Noted.
Let's cross-reference that with the flight data before sign-off.
The real-time data stream shows a slight anomaly in engine performance.
I'm cross-referencing with the system logs now. It appears to be within acceptable parameters.
We're seeing stable data across the board.
Confirmed. The adjustments are within tolerance.
Today marks a new era for Qatar Airlines as we accept delivery of this magnificent aircraft.
Ground control, this is Flight 847. We are ready for final clearance.
Flight 847, you are cleared for takeoff. Good day.
With a powerful surge, the Qatar Airways jet accelerates down the tarmac, the landing lights blurring as it reaches rotation speed.
Flaps 1, gear up.
Positive rate checked. Gear is coming up.